How's it going, guys? Jacob here at KelTec SHOT Show 2025. We've got our brand new product here, the PR57, stands for Pistol Rotating Barrel 57. It's a 20+1 standard capacity 5.7 integral magazine. Here's the rotating barrel right here. Two ways of operating this. You've got the slide lock here and the trigger, so no external safeties. You've got a 5-pound double action only trigger, drop test certified, so perfect for any sort of defensive or truck scenario. Way you reload this thing, because it does have an internal magazine, ships with 2 stripper clips that are tailored to this gun. What you'll do is you'll lock it into the slide right there, take the plunger and press. Only have to do that twice and you're ready to go. One of the other key features about this is the takedown. I'll go slow with this one. Push the trigger forward, bring the slide out. That's one of the things we patented and brought to the market with this gun. Put it back together, ease of operation, accessible. It's the lightest, thinnest 5.7 defensive pistol. MSRP looking at $399 on the streets, probably a little bit cheaper. Ships with an optics plate that's set up for a Romeo 0 or RMSCC shield, straight from the factory.